Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about why I started my YouTube channel, and this is going to be my honest review. Now, how I started my YouTube channel, teaching Eliademic digital marketing videos, and just like I have said, it's actually going to be my honest review and how you can also start your own YouTube channel. Now, first of all, I appreciate you for coming across this channel, and for those who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I am saying I am grateful. And those who are coming across this channel for the first time, this is Eliademic digital marketing video. On this channel, we talk about digital marketing, cutting across content creation, cutting across importation, cutting across social media marketing, and cutting across so many digital world. Now, you will agree with me that in our digital world today, you actually need to have leverage on social media to be able to go and to show your visibility. Now, that is all about that. Now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I'm begging you, please hit the notification bell and make sure you click on the subscribe button and make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified on the video I just uploaded. Now, one thing is sure about my community, all the videos I upload on my YouTube channel are good videos and they are free. And guess what? Even the subscribe button is free. And hitting on the notification bell is also free. And you can do well by sharing my videos or commenting on the video. And without further ado, let's over on to today's video. Now, why did I start my YouTube channel? I will actually say that I have been on YouTube for more than 3 years. I'm going to 4 years now. And there are a period of time when I feel like quitting my channel. In fact, there was a period of time when I feel as if I should delete my YouTube channel. And that was because when I upload a video, I will not get views. No, views are what actually keeps your channel going, and subscribers actually also. And so I have always had passion for I always have passion about teaching and helping others grow. That is one of the reasons why I started my YouTube channel, so that I can show you what I have learned. Now, one of the things about my YouTube channel, just like I have said before, is that my content are free, and therefore I have paid for some courses, what I learned, and I come back here and I share them for free. So guys, do make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now, let's go over to the main struggles. Now, my goal wasn't just fame. Well, my goal wasn't fame. It was about growing. Just like I have said, my goal wasn't just fame. It was about growing. Now, what are some of the challenges you are going to face as a YouTuber? And I'm going to give my honest review how you are going to overcome those challenges. Number one challenge I had was gadget. And I actually had started with my phone. And when I started with my phone, I have no microphone, I have no tripod, I have nothing apart from my phone. In fact, when you watch my earlier videos that I have on my YouTube channel, you could hear that the voicing and now is quite different. Because now I have microphone I make use of not just this lavalier mic, I also have stand-down microphone and tripods. I have like 3 different types of tripod now. But when I started my YouTube channel, I had none. So I literally will drop my phone on the side of my bed or something holding it. Or I will hold my phone in my hand and then create videos. I know that when you hold your phone in your hands, sometimes the phone, your hand will shake, and so therefore the same thing will happen to your video. And the next challenge that I have was views. When I upload my YouTube video, I'm not saying that I have reached the point where I have thousands of views, millions of views, or I have arrived where the big boys or the big YouTubers are. But what I'm saying now is that now I have little views compared to then when I started my YouTube channel, when I have less than 20 videos uploaded on my YouTube channel. I could hardly have views. In fact, the subscribers button was as if someone has hidden it somewhere. So it was something that was disturbing me. But right now, I normally get subscribers almost every day. In fact, the least subscriber I'm getting a day are 3 subscribers. So I think I'm actually growing, and it motivates me to what, create more videos. Now, the number 3 challenge I faced as a YouTuber so far is the fact that I had challenge of, in fact, data coming online itself. It takes data. It takes your data to search for YouTube topics. It takes data to create your YouTube thumbnail. It takes data to upload this video. Sometimes it sounds so funny, right? But sometimes I have no data at all to be able to upload a video. Even if I have created that video and have edited the video, and it comes in terms of creating, uploading that video, I will have to do maybe night subscription to be able to upload it. And you know the fact that it leads me to number 4 challenge, not understanding the algorithm. The algorithm, the YouTube algorithm is something you need to study. And not understanding the algorithm, you are going to be uploading anytime and you are not going to be getting views. So you need to check your analytics and find out when your subscribers are more active. Just like I have said by number 3 challenge, which was data. So I have to upload a video when I have data, which ought not to be so. So therefore, I face this 4 challenge. And the 5th one is editing my videos. Yes. So most of those times when I created my video, what I just do is just after I finish creating my video, like shooting my video like this, all I'll just do is upload it on my YouTube channel. Guys, just think about it. Now, after I have created my videos and I just upload them online, you see, people value quality. Quality is something they desire in videos. And what I found out about YouTube is that they value the quality and the voicing. So you will need a good mic to be able to go on YouTube. I am not saying that you cannot start a YouTube channel without a good mic, but all I'm saying is that take note of this following. The quality of your video and voicing actually helps your video to grow. So guys, I don't want this video to be so lengthy, and so I'm going to give you my honest review on how you can also start your YouTube channel. And so therefore, so my honest review why you should start a YouTube channel. Number 1 is start with what you have. Whether you have just your phone or you have a mic and a tripod that you can go alongside with your phone, or you just have a mic and your phone, you can start with it. You can look for a steady place where you can fix your phone and then record yourself. You don't actually need a tripod to say, but you need a tripod to make your videos steady so that when you want to change the background, it is much easier for you. But if you have no tripod and you have no mic, my honest suggestion is that start anywhere. And how do you start a YouTube channel? As long as you have a Gmail account, you can easily create a YouTube channel. So if you don't know how to create a YouTube channel, do make sure you watch my video that I'm going to put it up here at this side or this side of this video, so that you'll be able to learn how to open a YouTube channel. And what are some of those things you are going to be discussing? What you know. If you're an economics teacher or you're an economist, post those things you think you know about economics. Engage with your community. These things help boost your YouTube channel. Number two is consistency. Consistency makes you grow, not just motivation. You may have the motivation, but if you are not consistent, you are not going to grow on your YouTube channel. And I will tell you that one of the things that sets my YouTube channel back is consistency. I have not been consistent on YouTube. Why? Maybe because of one challenge or the other, but now I have decided that from henceforth, I am going to post at least 2 videos in a week. So consistency actually matters, not motivation. Yes, I know you need motivation to be consistent, but truly you need to be consistent. So you need to create videos even when you don't feel like it. You need to upload your videos even when you don't feel like uploading them. So it's important for you to know that consistency actually matters. And then the next is value first. Value should come before money. Before you even think of getting subscribers or getting views, you should dish out values. I recently received a call when I was cooking last week, and the person said, I saw your video and you teach about importation and I want to learn. I was amazed. So the person came across my video on YouTube and watched it and then saw my number on the description and called me and said, I want to learn about mini importation. How much do you charge? And you see, that was not even a paid video. That was a video uploaded on my YouTube channel. But if you want to learn about importation, do make sure you check the description of this video and you can contact me and I will teach you how to import from China, Bangladesh, Vietnam, and so forth. And then the next is engage your community. The reason why I'm creating this video is for me to engage with my good community, my good viewers, those who have been engaging with my content. Yes, you need to reply to comments, you need to reply to questions on your video. So when someone say, how do I go about this? You reply the person, you tell the person, oh, this is what I know and how I was able to resolve this. Oh, I faced this also and this is what I did. Oh, this looks so, this, I've not come across this before, but I'm going to make research and then get back to you. It's important. But when they ask you, the product you uploaded, how are we going to do it? Where is the product link? Just make sure you engage with your community. And then the last is celebrate your progress. Yes, even if you start a YouTube channel today and you uploaded your first video today, celebrate it. You've started a journey, and every journey should be celebrated as long as you are making progress. So do make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and join the community of like-minded people. And just like I've said before, on this channel, I talk about importation, I talk about social media marketing, I talk about content creation. I also talk about how you can grow your social medias. So I'll be creating series of videos about YouTube and do make sure that you watch them all. Thank you.